Hi, my name is Maria Camila Figueroa. I am single. I am from Cali, Colombia. I am 29 years old. I am accounting assistant. Um, I'm a student radiologic and diagnostic imaging technology and UNAT. I live in Cali. In my free time, I like spend time with my family and dance salsa. The main touristic place in Cali are Panzer River, Chris the King, and Park of the Cholados. The typical food in my city is chicken sancocho and empanada bayuna. The main celebration in my city are the fair Cali, the and Pan Americans Games. Uh, in my city, I can spend time in the Panzer River, enjoy the sunny days. We can enjoy its salsa culture wherever and everyone dance. Thanks. Bye.